Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my video today. So today I'm making Jojo Siwa Caprisun juices. My daughter is turning 4 on December 20th and she's having a slumber party on Saturday. And I just wanted to make everything about Jojo Siwa since that is her favorite person at the moment. So I'm going to start off by doing Capri Suns. So I have the Capri Suns here, and these are the labels that we printed out. I purchased these labels on Etsy, and I purchased the labels for about $10, and I printed it out on sticky paper. I'm going to provide the link in down below just to show you the back of it. So this is just a sheet. It comes with 4 labels on it, so you have to cut it and then you have to use the hole puncher so you can punch the hole, and then you have to put the label onto the Capri Sun. So I started off by just cutting out all the labels so I can save some time. I didn't want to do this process on YouTube because I'm pretty sure it's just kind of like self-explanatory. So I just saved this sheet just for a visual, just so you can see what how it came. And you just follow the line, you cut it, and then you follow the line in the middle. So this is a sheet of 4 labels, and let's get started. So I'm just going to start by doing a hole punch. So I'm not sure if you can see it. The light is kind of blinding, but you get to see where you should use the hole puncher right here. So when you place it on the Capri Sun, it goes right on the label. So let's start by opening the box of Capri Suns. I could have did this part off YouTube, off camera, I mean, but I just wanted to show the whole process. So So the next step is to place the label onto the Capri Sun juice. So I'm going to start by grabbing the first juice so I can start this project. When you grab the first juice, I suggest that you lay it flat and you remove the straw. When you smooth out all the kinks, then you can apply the label so everything can go on smooth. thank you guys for tuning into my channel as I showed you how I created these custom Jojo Siwa Caprisun juices. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel as I continue to upload different videos for my daughter's slumber party. Thank you. Happy birthday, Leah.